How to fix no sound problem on Google Chrome browser. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no sound problem on Google Chrome. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with a step 1, that is to check volume and the silent mode. So first, make sure that your phone volume is turned up and the silent or do not disturb mode isn't enabled. And also check if the media volume, specifically if your phone separates ringer or media sounds or not. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check the Chrome tab. So sometimes a specific tab may be muted. So here you can just tap on the tab icon, and there you can make sure that the website isn't muted. And if available, you can just reload the page and check the sound. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to check the site sound settings. So here you can simply open the Chrome and go to the website that has the sound issue, and there you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, or you can even tap on the lock icon next to the website URL, and from there you can simply scroll down and tap on settings, and from here you can simply scroll down and tap on site settings, and here you can just scroll down and search for the sounds option, and here make sure that the sound is allowed in here. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear the cache. So here you can simply exit the Google Chrome, and from here you can just long press on the Google Chrome app icon, and now here from the pop-up menu just tap on app info, and you'll be prompted to the app settings. Now here, once you're inside the app settings, what you can do is just tap on the clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And clearing cache can fix temporary issues caused by the corrupted files. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update the Chrome. So here you can just go to the Play Store, and here you can simply search for the Chrome app and check and make sure that it's updated to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to restart your phone. So if none of the above steps work, then you can simply restart your device, and this will refresh the system and fixes the lingering audio issues. And that's it. That's how you can fix no sound problem on Google Chrome. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.